Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And what about Windows 11? If you've moved to Windows 11, want to make sure that your computer is running at the highest performance possible. Maybe you're a gamer, once again, and maybe some games seem to not have the plan changed, so they kind of run sluggish because the PC is not running at full speed. Well, there's pretty much the same thing to do. It's just changed a little bit in Windows 11 with the settings. If you go into your Start menu, or right-click the Start menu and go into your settings, you will then, of course, go into, make sure you're into System. And here in System, you will have Power. When you actually extend Power, you will have Power Mode, Balanced, or which is by default, as you see. Then you click and you do Best Performance. This is what you'll want. Now, it's going to tell you maybe that you're using more power and you're not as efficient, but your PC will run fast. But still, you still got to go to the control panel, because even though you change that one, it doesn't change the control panel. So go to the control panel app, and there you will go into power options. And once again, here you'll have balance. It's going to show you balance. Here you see Power Saver. Now, where's the performance plan? Well, it's under additional plans. You click here, click High Performance, and there you go. You are now set as your PC will be running at the fastest speed all the time. Give it, a good boost in power and usage. And at the same time, if you had some sluggish gaming, maybe this is going to fix the problem, as your computer should be running all the time at maximum speed when needed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.